These Write in the Rain notebooks are the best. This camo one's awesome. Thanks, Mom. It's got a quick measurement and reference guide on it. Lined with a graph type grid. Rips and writes like normal paper, but it's water. See? Even on the ripped spot, barely soaks in. This stuff really works if you have to write notes somewhere where it might get wet. Highly recommend this brand, Write in the Rain. I've tried a lot of the other ones, and they're all okay, but this stuff is legit. Works with regular pens, pencils, crayons, fucking anything you got, basically. Something better than